guys, today is Tuesday, April 14th. Today's lesson is 140, page 279 to 280. Okay, let's get started on our drills. Hi boys and girls, we're going to do the twos timetable cards. Here we go. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. And 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, now we're going to do the concept cards. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 year is about 52 weeks. 1 year equals 365 days. 1 leap year equals 366 days. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 dozen things equal 12 things. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 kilograms equals 1,000 grams. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Normal body temperature equals 37 Celsius. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water is 0 Celsius. Normal body temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is 212 Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey guys, we're going to work on page 280 now. 280 is the classwork side of our paper, and this is the side where we need to learn a new concept, so we'll do this one together. Right now we're going to learn about rounding to the nearest tens. Rounding to the nearest tens. The numbers 11 through 19 are between 10 and 20. Okay, so if we look at this chart here, we start with 10 is the lower number. And you count up from 10 all the way to 20 is the higher number. Okay, the number in the middle is 15. And 15 always rounds up to the higher number, which is 20. It rounds up. Okay, so remember the numbers. If the numbers are between 11 and 14, or 11 and 14 are closer to 10 and round back to 10. So the numbers 10 through 14 will round back to 10. The numbers 15 to 20 will round up to 20. Okay, number 1. Color the numbers pink. That round to 30. So if it rounds to 30, we color it pink. The lower numbers we color pink. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 will be colored pink. Then we color the numbers blue that round up to 40. So the higher numbers, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40, all will be colored blue because they're the higher numbers. Okay, let's go to number 2. Write the 2 tens each number is between. Okay, circle the number it rounds to. Okay, so 27 is between what 2 numbers? 27 would be between 20 and 30. Because if you look at 27, it would be between 20 would be before it and 30 would be after it. So it would round out to between 20 and 30. Okay, 72. What would 72 be between? 72 would be between the 70s and 80. It would be between 70 and 80. Because 70, it starts with 70 and it goes to 80. Okay, 48 would be between 40 and 50. 40 and 50. Okay, let's see what they round up to or down. 27 is a higher number. It goes after the 25, so it would round off to 30. So we circle 30 because that's a higher number. 72 is a lower number. The 2 is the lower side. So it would round off to 70. And 48, 8 is a higher number. So it would round off to the higher number, which would be 50. Okay, number 3. Mark the bubble under the correct rounded number. What would 17 round to? 17, 7's a higher number, so it rounds up to 20. 37, 7 is a higher number again, so it would round up to 40. Okay, now let's go down to number 4 story problem. Noah has a box of 16 colored pencils to use on the ride home. Okay, now 7 pencils have sharp points. How many of Noah's pencils need to be sharpened? So we know that he has 16 pencils, and we know that on the way home, he had to sharpen 7 pencils. So how many of Noah's pencils will need sharpened now? So what we want to do, how many is always subtracting. We subtract for how many. So we want to subtract 16. Subtract from 7, the pencils that he already sharpened, equals 9. He will still need to sharpen 9 more pencils. Okay, let's do the back, which is seat work. That's page 279, seat work side. All right, write the between numbers by 5. So you're going to count by 5 and write what comes in between. Each one of these counting by 5. So if I count 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I would put 40 because 40 would be 5 more than 35. So you're counting by 5s, 5 more numbers. Okay, so same thing again, 131. Let's count 5 sticks. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. My number would be 136. And that's how you do the rest of them. Okay, all of those get done like that. All right, Number 2, we're going to write the addition and subtraction facts. What you want to do is count the red dots. How many red dots you have? You have 9. How many blue dots I have? I have 8. You want to bring the 9 red dots plus the 8 red dots and then switch it. 8 plus 9 and then equals whatever it equals. You do the same thing on this side. Count how many red dots, how many blue dots, put your numbers here, and then switch them. Okay, now remember with the subtraction, you want to count all your dots first. All your dots first for the subtraction. So how many are 9 plus 8? That will go here. Then you subtract it by the red dots and then subtract by the blue dots. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Number 3 is just writing the answers to the adding and subtraction problems. Don't forget your zeros here. How to do your zeros, okay? Don't forget adding and subtraction. The last thing, number 4, you're going to color the numbers that are rounded to the tens place green. Okay, you're going to color the numbers that rounded to the tens place green. Remember, all zeros in the ones place you color green. Color all the other numbers black. So that'll be a fun coloring one for you today. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.